Low backlash planetary gearheads are the connecting link between a servo motor and an application. The main function of the gearhead is to transform torque and speed and adjust mass inertia. Viewed from the inside, the toothing is the central element of every gearhead. Just like in the universe, everything revolves around the sun. That is why the components driven by the servo motor are called the sun wheel. The revolving planets circulate around the sun wheel with the aim of transmitting power. The planet's orbit is determined by the ring gear in the housing. The planetary wheel connects the individual planets and transmits power as a combined force. Decisive for the power and speed transmission is the ratio. The ratio represents the relation of the driving speed on the input side to the driven speed on the output side, and is defined by the relation of the ring gear size to the size of the sun wheel. Typically, the ratio lies between 3 and 10 in a single-stage design. Let's look at an example. A servo motor rotates at the input of a gearhead at 3,000 revolutions per minute. At the same time, there is a torque at the application of 120 Newton meters. The gearhead reduces the speed of the motor by the factor of the ratio, for example, ratio 4. That means the output rotates 4 times slower than the input. That is 750 revolutions per minute at the output. At the same time, the torque of an application is also reduced by factor 4, so that the motor only needs to apply 30 instead of the required 120 Newton meters. This, of course, is subject to ideal conditions. In reality, the efficiency of the planetary gearhead must also be taken into consideration.